With Clay Watkins. Number one, safety first. Great job wearing the life vest, Clay. Number two, I hope you enjoyed that time out on the lake. Coming up this weekend, Big Clay celebrates his big fourth in Columbus.
All right, and we've got ARIANNA KRAFT, little Barry, I like to refer to her as. She is 6 years old this year in Pittsburgh. We've got love from Nana and Papa. I guess her birthday's on Sunday too.
This is pretty cool right here. We got a couple that are turning double digits, and you'll notice a theme between them. This is Lily Shoulders. Lily, a happy 10th birthday. She is celebrating in Oswego.
Love that shirt. All right, so Lily Shoulders is celebrating 10, and Lily Fagan is also turning 10 years old.
Lily, I love New York too, man.
Yeah.
I do too. I'm with you on that. Laren Pack, she's celebrating her 11th birthday, all loaded up. I bet we had some running to do for a little track, I'm gonna guess. When you got the shoes and you carry them separately, I hear you. Laren, a very happy birthday in Galesburg. She celebrated yesterday. We're gonna carry this into the weekend.
All right. And birthday wishes coming from Mom, Dad, Ethan, Landon, and the grandparents. Going out to Aiden Wheat in Parsons, Kansas. Aiden is now 17 years old.
Yeah, speaking of a little track athlete right there, a little Parson Viking pride. Happy birthday, Aiden. Maria Griffith is celebrating her 25th. What a gorgeous picture right there. Congratulations, Maria, and a happy birthday to you. She is in Neosho.
Aww. Jessica HOENSHELL turning 34 years old. What a pretty picture there of Jessica in Carthage.
Who that is? This dude right here. I'm glad we got this picture on. This is great. So anyway, he eventually got all grown up. He got to the magical age of 40, and he is Dr. Brett Dunbar. Brett, I've always appreciated working with you. A very happy birthday in Pittsburgh, and I want you to know that she may have played a hand in this because I got a note that says happy birthday from Mom. I got a feeling Mom may have sent that in.
I'm trying to figure out what he's holding. What a cute picture. Keeping him humble. Love it. Richard Ashmore turning 75 years old. Check out that tractor there.
How cool is that?
Nice. Oh, what a great picture there of Richard in Girard.
That is awesome. Richard Mason, a happy 80th birthday. Look at that banner behind him. My goodness, Mr. Mason. Looks like the entire town in Girard turned out for that. That's phenomenal. Happy birthday.
Do you see what it says there on his, the banner there on his shirt?
No, I can't see. What does it say?
80 never looked so good.
Yeah, I agree with you, Mr. Mason. I agree with you, sir.
It even says it on his hat. I love it. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful celebration. All right, Missy SISNEY celebrating in Girard. Lots of birthday love going out to Missy from Mike, Evan, Aiden, Marley, and Quinn, Mom and Dad, and Gail and Nancy.
That's like everybody that was in Richard Mason's picture.
Yeah.
My goodness. Caitlin Drager, she's celebrating her 14th birthday. Miss Caitlin, I want you to have a marvelous birthday weekend in Columbus. And speaking of the bus, that is also where Frank Fanley is celebrating as well. A happy birthday to Frank. Let's just stay in Columbus, because Brad Stover is celebrating a birthday in Columbus as well.
Party in the bus.
And you want Bob? Or
Sure.
you wanted to wish happy birthday to Brad?
Well, I was just saying there's going to be a party in the bus.
There is a party in the bus. And in Baxter Springs as well.
Yeah.
Because that is where Bob Robinson is celebrating his 84th birthday. Mr. Robinson, a very happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this August the 27th, or if you're celebrating just a little bit down the road, here's where you can send them in to birthdays@koamtv.com. You can also find us at koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.